This week's exercise. Today we're going to start with driving. Put your hands like this and like this. All right, put it about shoulder length, and you're going to start it up like this, and you're going to go like that. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Switch hands. Now let's drive the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. All right. Stretching. Put your pole down by your waist, bring it up to your chest, and up high. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay, basically what you're going to do is just start your belly and bring your arm up like that. And over here like that. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Hi, my name is Richard. I've invented these exercises to help myself. I couldn't go to the gym, really. It hurt too bad. I am overweight. I have gout real bad. And for years, I just let myself fall apart. And I needed to do something. I getting to the point where I couldn't get off the couch, off the toilet, put my socks on, and do a lot of things that make life worth living. So I decided to get my life back, and I invented these exercises. I also invented this pole that makes the exercises a lot easier. And basically you can use any pole that you got around the house, but this pole just makes it easier. Okay, let's do some hugs. Basically what you're going to do is going to push your pole all the way out and bring it towards you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. All right. Next, you're going to put your pole down beside your foot, and you're just going to go forward and all the way back. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay, let's do the other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay, let's do some tamping down. Basically what you're going to do is hold the pole out in the middle, and you're going to push down. Don't hit the ground, please. If you have to, raise the pole up. And ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. All right, let's switch hands. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, let's do the same. All right, let's do the same thing, only we're going to go up. Make sure you don't hit your ceiling or your ceiling fan. All right, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Switch hands. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. All right, let's do the sky ring. All right, let's do the sky ring. Basically what you're going to do is put your pole a little bit past your elbow, and it's going to reach up and pull down. Again, don't hit your ceiling. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, very good. Let's do some rowing. All right, very good. Let's do some rowing. Put your hand at the end of the pole, hand in the middle, and it's going to roll like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Let's go to the other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Good job. All right. Very good. All right. See you on the next video. Let's do some. So, most importantly, I hope you share these videos with your friends and work out with your friends. If you can, start a group in your neighborhood or with all your friends because it's really good exercise. Remember, carrying is sharing. So get a bunch of people together. Somebody be a leader. Just follow these exercises and everybody in the group can get fit at the same time. Whether they're standing or sitting, they can all do these exercises. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.